What's up, guys? Welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto Market Update May 4th, 2022. Guys, in this video, taking a look at the general crypto market. CLV and Tron are leading the charge today. We're talking about that and more in this video. Guys, the market's back into extreme greed and the Feds are going to be holding a meeting today whether to increase interest rates or not. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency expected to consolidate after the Fed meeting. Guys, we're talking about that, and traders are actually taking some profit ahead of the Fed meeting because they're expecting higher volatility. We'll be taking a peek at the Bitcoin price chart, the total crypto market cap chart, also the altcoin season index, and we'll be looking at the top gainers and the top losers in the last 24 hours, and then we'll round up looking at the top 10 cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Guys, we'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification, guys, if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So kicking off today's video, guys, this is a general look at the total crypto market. You can see that in the market, we have a fairly green day in the market, even though we have some coins that are still not in profit. If you look at on the monthly, a lot of these coins are down 40, 50, some are down almost 70%. On the weekly, many of these coins are still down because this week has been really dreadful. The month of May has not been kind to us. This is just the beginning of the month of May, but up to the point of recording of this video till the 4th of May, the market has been down. But today, looks like we have a green day in the market. Tron is up over 11% in the last 24 hours, and we have CRV up over 13% in the last 24 hours. But guys, the market has slid back to extreme fear. Yesterday, we were in fear. We were actually happy, hoping to see better sentiment in the market, but right now the market is going back to extreme fear. You might be wondering, why are people getting scared? Guys, the Feds are going to be holding a meeting today. They have to decide, should they increase the interest rate? And anytime they're going to hold these meetings, the market is always going very volatile. The Fed chairman Jerome Powell is going to tell us what the Feds are going to do, and you can see, according to this news report, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are expected to consolidate more after the Fed meeting. So the rumor is that the Feds are going to be increasing the interest rate, and because of that, a lot of the market is going to be down. We'll still need a lot of time to consolidate. But guys, I'll be showing you guys why that report might be inaccurate, because if you look at the Bitcoin price chart right now, you can see that the news might look very, very bearish and the market might be in extreme fear. But guess what, guys? We are still holding support. That's a very good sign. The last time we had the Fed meeting was around this region. The market, we thought the whole market would crash because they were going to increase interest rate. The increase in interest rate, what happened after that? We actually kind of pumped to 48K. Will that be the same thing happening right here, or will the market actually dump for real? I don't think the Fed is going to dump the market. After pumping the market for a 2-year period, I don't think they'll just up and dump the market for it to go into oblivion. Guys, looking at the top 10 cryptocurrency by market capitalization for the 4th of May 2022, Bitcoin is still sitting at number 1. You can get one Bitcoin for over 38,000 US dollars. That's a 0.7% increase in the last 24 hours. Ethereum is still going for 2,800, and at number 3 we have USD Tether. BNB is comfortably sitting at number 4. It has a market capitalization of over $63 billion. USDC, another stable coins, comes at number 5. It has a market capitalization of $49 billion. And guys, in the top 5 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, we have 2 stable coins. This is a worrying sign. It means a lot of people are still in stables. A lot of people are expecting lower prices, and that's exactly why I don't think we're going to see lower prices. Coming up number 6, guys, Terra Luna is going for $86 per 1 Terra Luna. That's a 1.6% increase in the last 24 hours. It has a market cap of 29 billion. Sitting comfortably at number 7 is XRP. At number 8, we have Solana going for $87. At number 9, ADA Cardano is going for 0.79 for 1 ADA and has a market cap of $26 billion. And making up the top 10 is Terra USD, which has an $18 billion market cap, and that's another stable coin. So we have 3 stable coins in the top 10 cryptocurrency. We're hoping for that to change in the nearest future. In the last 24 hours, total crypto market cap has a volume of $76 billion. And the total crypto market cap actually increased by 0.24%. That's a very good sign. But guys, another worrying thing that's happening in the market, Bitcoin traders are taking some profit ahead of the Fed meeting. Everybody's expecting higher volatility, and many people are actually hedging their positions. So people that are in sports are hedging their positions with futures, and people that are in futures are trying to buy spots to hedge themselves to make sure that they are exposed in both ends, because anytime the Fed increases rates, there's always high volatility, and Bitcoin is one of the most volatile assets in the world. Bitcoin has still relative strength neutralized versus Ether, perhaps reflecting indecisiveness among investors who are confused as to whether risks off in equities will be bigger drag on crypto. That's what Katie Stockholm is saying, the managing partner of Fairham Strategies, a technical research firm. She wrote it on her research notes. Guys, I'll be holding on my position and just ride through the volatility. I'm one of those people that believe in hodling to the end. People are taking profit because they don't know what the future will hold, and to be honest, a profit in hand is better than the profit in your head. Guys, we're taking a look at the altcoin season index. Altcoin season index is telling us that we're in Bitcoin season, and as I explained yesterday, guys, it doesn't mean Bitcoin is going parabolic or Bitcoin is going to the moon. It just means the market is actually dumping. But as a matter of fact, Bitcoin is not dumping as hard as the general crypto market. The altcoin index is flashing 22, and that's Bitcoin season. For all season to happen, we have to go to 75. That's a long way. But as you can see in this chart, it takes the altcoin index just a little time to go down to that 75. You can see that we did that in January 2021. From January, before April, we're already at 75, almost at 896. And that was when the altcoin was in full flow. I believe we'll still see altcoin in the future, but right now, we're not in altcoin season. Guys, still in the news. Bitcoin diverged from stocks as Fed meeting starts, slips towards 38K. So Bitcoin and the stock market are positively correlated together. It means when the stock market increases, Bitcoin actually increases. But guys, Bitcoin continues its uninspiring start to May as crypto traders position ahead of US Federal Reserve decision due on Wednesday. The largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization was down 1.2% in the last 24 hours, and it dropped to around 37,700. But right now, we're actually personally expecting higher prices in Bitcoin. Now, stock market actually closed in positive, and I'm expecting that to translate to Bitcoin. We'll see that anytime the stock market is having a good time, the stock market is in an upward trend, Bitcoin always actually goes in an upward trend. So that's why I believe Bitcoin and the stock market have a positive correlation together. Guys, the next chart we'll be looking at is the top crypto gainers and losers in the top 100 coins in the last 24 hours. Leading the charge of the gainers in the last 24 hours, we have Curve is up 12% in the last 24 hours. Tron at number 2 is up 10%. SDC Network is up 5%. Covex Finance is up 4%. Moonbeam is up 3%, and Wave, guys, Wave have been the loser column for like 2 weeks right now. Finally in the gainers column today, Wave is up over 3%. That's nice to see, but still at $13, a far cry from the $63 Wave was just a month ago. Losing the losers chart today is Algorand. Guys, yesterday Algorand was one of the highest gainers in the market because they announced their partnership with FIFA. But that's crypto for you. One day you're up in the gainers chart, the next day you're up in the losers chart. Algorand is down 6.5% in the last 24 hours. ApeCoin has been on a losing streak of late. In the last 4 days, ApeCoin has been in the losers chart. Right now, ApeCoin is going for $14 per coin and is down 5.5% in the last 24 hours. IOTA is down 4%. Unos Seed is down 3%, Maker is down 3.6%, and that makes up the top losers in the top 100 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. Guys, let's take a look at the crypto unicorn index, and this index is showing us how many projects have a market capitalization of over $1 billion. How many of them have a market cap of over $1 billion? And at this point of recording of this video, guys, we have 89 projects that have a market capitalization of over $1 billion. Yesterday we had 91 projects. Right now we have a dip because the market is actually dumping, but it looks like we are back at support on this chart of the crypto unicorn index. We're at 89 projects with market capitalization of over $1 billion. We want to see higher prices. If the prices of all coins are increasing, it means we'll have more coins that are actually having market capitalization of $1 billion. We'll wait for the Fed meeting to see what the Fed will have to say about all these. But one important thing the Fed will have to talk about, guys, is the US dollar currency index. Guys, the US dollar currency index has been going parabolic. At some point in time, it will have to turn on itself. Nobody knows when, nobody knows the time that will happen, but it looks as if at this point in time, the US dollar is stalling. It got as high as 103 on the US dollar currency index. Right now, it's still at 103, but you can see that it's finding it hard to set new highs. We're expecting it to turn on itself, and history has showed that anytime the US dollar currency index turns on itself, that's when we have alt season. This last period in time from March 2020 till May 2021, we had alt season. Why? Because the dollar was falling on itself. Will the Fed meeting signify the start of the fall of the dollar? Because right now, the dollar is actually gaining value after the Fed has printed over $2 trillion worth of dollars in the last 2 years. Something's not making sense right now. The Fed meeting today will actually tell us the direction the dollar will be going. Are we going to see higher prices for the US dollar, or is the dollar going to start crashing for us to start seeing alt season? Guys, the market is still on extreme fear I'm still going to be accumulating some altcoins that I intend to carry into alt season. I'll still be accumulating some altcoins in my altcoin bag. We're waiting on the Fed meeting to tell us which direction will the markets be heading. I don't expect the Fed to want to tank the market right now. They spend so much time propping the market up. We'll be seeing what the outcome of their meeting will be. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification, guys. Really important. If you want to get notified anytime I drop these daily updates. See you guys in my next video. Bye.